What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how we sound and test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how my mic's sounding. It's Friday, y'all. Tomorrow wraps up the month. We got a few charts we're gonna be looking at. But before we break all that stuff down, looking at the news today at 5 a.m. we got Euro news popping off. Then at 8:30 we got Canadian and USD news, and that's how we're wrapping up the week. So yesterday was talking about this EN setup. Again, it did this nice dump during London session. Then it retraced. New York session did the same move we did during London session. We hit like TP2, TP3 before markets closed. When markets reopened, we hit like, what TP did we hit? Let me pull my phone out. So I'm not just making stuff up. Give me 1 second. Then we hit TP4 last night. And then it rejected at the same level. Again, like I was talking about yesterday, we could see a possible retracement after we did a huge dump at the beginning of this week for the past 3 days. We're still going to be looking for sales, though, but we could see retracements happen and take place, which wouldn't be too much of a shock or surprise. We're also going to be looking for GA sales, but again, a little bit of work to do. But everything else, we're just going to leave alone for right now. We're going to look for possible NAS sales also, but they got a little bit of work to do. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today to wrap the week up. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. Dropped a video earlier this week as well. If you haven't checked that out yet, make sure to check that out. All the playlists are up to date. Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up in here. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. But as we can see, volume is kind of just low right now, so we're waiting for volume to kick up to retest, see if we can break these levels. Those just joined the stream. You are not into this trade yet. This is a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month, the last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we can get charged, drop them in the chat. But y'all already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. Got whipped out of this EM position last night. Going looking for the re-entry. Again, we've been catching sells on EM literally all week. So right now we're about to see if we can break back and hold this low as resistance again, or we're going to retrace some more. We're looking for another sell position, but we're still looking for sells nonetheless. Everything else we're not really going to be paying attention to because as we see they're kind of just consolidating and still got a little bit of work to do. New 15 just popped up. I'm going to be posting a recap of the month probably at the beginning of the week next week. We do have a bank holiday on, I think, Monday, if I'm not mistaken. We'll get to that one. No, we don't. Oh, it is Monday. Okay, we do have a bank holiday Monday. So it might be a slow start to next week and a new month as well, but we'll get to that when we get to that. As far as how we're doing this month, just to do a little quick preview of the recap. We're on a 8 or 9 trade win streak. I can't remember. But yesterday we took this EN trade. TP3 got hit. We ended up hitting TP4 last night, almost TP5. So we caught a nice 30, almost 40 pip move. Wednesday, because today's Friday. Yeah, so Wednesday we took a GU buy, TP1, but got hit almost TP2. And then Tuesday and Monday we took this EM position. All TPs got hit. We caught over 94 pips. That's how much we caught at the end of that day, but price continued to dump. As you can see, 2 going on 3 days straight. So we caught way more than 94 pips. We caught 200, almost 300 pips in that move right there. We took another position. See, the first EM position was a nice 1 to 6 risk reward. The second was a nice 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4 risk reward, which means for each one of these positions, we made 6 times on this one and then 3 times risk on that one, right? So that means, for example, versus $100 here, I made $600. And for example, for the 1 to 3, versus $100 here, I made $300. Versus $1,000 here, I made $3,000. Versus $1,000 here, I made $6,000 off these one trade and off this one trade alone. So that's how we're doing so far this week. Last week we ended with a 2-0 as well. So we had undefeated week last week, and then the week before that we went 4-0. And then the second week of August, we went 2-1. And then the first week of August, we went 2-1. So we're only taking 2 losses this month so far. We'll see how today goes. But even if we take a loss today, 3 losses out the month is not bad at all. Now, if you go to August 1st, you'll see how we ended July. July, we went 16-5, giving us a 76% win rate. You click right here, it'll take you to the first week of July. You click here, it's going to take you to the very beginning of July, where you can see how we ended June as well. June 13-3 gives 81% win rate. And you scroll down to July 2nd, you'll see how we ended quarter 2. April, we went 16-4, catching 69,396 pips. May, we went 15-4, catching 47,997 pips. Then June, we went 13-3, catching 1,006 pips, ending 44-11, giving us an 80% win rate, catching a total of 118,359 pips. All right, y'all. We've been killing it, not just this month, but the year. So we got a new 5-minute just popped off. So again, we're going to be looking for continued EM sales. Got worked out last night in this position. We're looking for possible re-entry. So EM can hold 77.05 as resistance. We're looking for something down to 76.50 and possibly down to 75.75. Now, if it rejects this up, we can try to retrace back up to here, or we can still look for sell setup. So that's what we're looking at right now. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at charts. Drop in the chat. And make sure I like the live as you'll hop up in here. We just broke back below. Let's see if we can hold this right here.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO. Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbit Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0.
New 15 gonna pop up in a second.
Discovery, go and throttle up.
If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. Got a new video dropping for you at the beginning of New York session. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. Looks like GJ about to attempt to break this level. Again, it's been trying for the past 2 weeks to break and hold this level. We'll see if the news today is going to have any effect on that. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered anything yet. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Again, we got Euro news at 5 a.m. and then at 8:30 we got Canadian and USD news. That's how we're wrapping up the week. We're trying to see if we can hold this level right here. Literally, as we can see here, literally since August 15th, price has been attempting to hold this level and keep pushing up. But as we go on the smaller time frames, we can see time after time after time after time, price just struggle to fail to hold this level. I'm trying. So eventually, either going to break this level and continue the uptrend, or it's going to do a harsh rejection, and we see a reversal into the downtrend come back into play. Ian's pushing back down. Let's see if we can break past PP4. Again, got a new video dropping for y'all to end off the week in the month at the beginning of New York session. Make sure you have your noties on and be on the lookout for that. And make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Members, we're going to be going live during the New York news today as well. If y'all missed yesterday's New York news live, make sure to watch the recording. It's uploaded in the channels for y'all. Again, we do got Euro news at 5 a.m. as well as Canadian USD news at 8:30. So do keep those times in mind. As you see here, price kind of just been repeating the same thing all week. So we're about to see if that's going to change because again, we got a new month starting next month, the last month of the quarter. We want to see if we can have some smooth trading and smooth cycles come into play because the past few weeks, prices have been struggling to continue the cycles they're in or change the cycles they're in. All right, y'all. Again, got a new video for y'all dropping the beginning New York session. Be on the lookout for that. As far as what we're looking for today, we're going to be looking for continued EN sales, possible GJ buys, and price can eventually hold this little at support here, and then possible, maybe possible NAS sales. But a lot of charts are kind of just wonky right now, so I'm mainly just going to be paying attention to GJ, EN, possibly GA if it can break and hold 93.30 as resistance. So we can look for sells going down to 92.80 and possibly down to 92.25. But that's if it can break this level right here and hold as resistance. We was looking for the setup yesterday, but it rejected and it consolidated for the rest of the day. And as you can see right here, Ian, we hit TP4, got whipped out, re-enter this during the live stream. We're right back at TP1, almost TP2 again. But if it can continue to hold 77.10 as resistance, we're going to look for sales going down to 76.50 and possibly down to 75.75. In the GU, I'm going to look for buys again if it can break and hold 32.25 as support. But that's the main charts I'm going to be looking at and paying attention to today. Again, we have Euro news at 5 a.m. and we got USD and Canadian news at 8:30. Remember, we're going to be going live during the, and we're back. We're going to be going live during the 8:30 news. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free student from Telegram. Again, we got the sale going on, 12% off everything. Make sure to use the discount code that's in the free signal for Telegram. I am ready. At checkout, before hitting the purchase and buy button, you have to apply the coupon before. It's just like any other thing, like if you're ordering a pizza, DoorDash, whatever the case may be, got to put the discount code in before you purchase. So make sure to do that, y'all. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. Y'all see what the Instagram and TikTok is scrolling at the bottom of your screen. Make sure to follow and check out the post on there as well. Been posting content all week on there on Instagram and TikTok, so make sure to check that stuff out. And yeah, we're gonna be back at it next week. London session, 3 a.m. EST. Enjoy y'all's weekend.